Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to arrange object in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. Now you want to arrange object. At first, you can draw some object. Now we go to the tool section and select the shape tool. Then now I draw a rectangle tool. You can change the color. Now I make the color red. Now I am click again the move tool and select another shape. Now I am select the polygon tool. Then you can change the color of this shape. Now you want to arrange this shape. Select the multiple shape. Click and drag on our mouse. You can arrange this left align or center or the right, etc. Otherwise you can make this top line or middle or bottom. Now I make middle. Now you can see we arrange shapes very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.